is tell me if this is a monomial or not. So I'm going to write a term down, and you're going to say if it's a monomial or not. You ready?
This is what we did yesterday.
Yeah, this is exactly what you did in the homework. So for problem number 1, n squared minus 3. Is that a monomial?
No.
No, how come?
Minus sign.
Well, yeah. This is one term, this is another term. It's two terms. So what do we call that? Binomial. So the answer, yes or no, is no, it is not a monomial, right? Two terms. Here's another one. 5 to the third power. Monomial, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. One term. Problem number 2. Or number 3. I said the wrong number.
Might want to edit that out.
No, you can make mistakes once in a while.
This is 1, 2.
One term, right? No minus sign separating the A, the B, or the, no plus or minus sign separating those terms. So yes, that is a monomial. No, number 4. Here we go. This one's tricky. Ready?
Nope.
No. Why?
There's a minus sign. 2 terms.
No, it's a binomial. And as you guys were saying, it's 2 terms. Now, what are the 2 terms?
I feel there's too many people talking at once.
Yeah, we're supposed to raise our hand, right? So the 2 terms are the red and the purple. And they're separated by a minus sign. Does that make sense? Now, does that mean every time you see a minus sign that it's not a monomial? No. No. So let's double check that.
That's a monomial.
Yeah.
That's a monomial. It's a negative. Yes.
That's a monomial. We have a negative sign there, and you could have a positive sign, but it's not separating the terms. So this is a monomial. Actually, let's call this 4b, because I got a little 4b, because I got a little thing that I'm working off of, and I'll throw my numbers off. Okay? All right, here we go. Different task. We're just going to simplify. All right. So what do I do there? How do I simplify that? No. We're just multiplying across, so it's different, right? You're just going to add up the terms, so it'd be 5 plus 1 plus 7.
13.
Okay? Why is it, and I did that on purpose, we don't multiply the powers because the power, we're not raising a power to a power, right? We're just multiplying a to the 5th power times a to the 1st power times a to the 7th. Let's do another one. All right. So now, raise your hand if you know the answer.
R to the 7, T to the 8.
Yeah. So it's going to be R, and I'm going to write the extra step. We're going to take the 3 and the 4 and add those up because that's my R term. This is R to the 3rd, R to the 4th. So remember the shortcut when you're straight up multiplying, you just add the exponents. And then that's going to be times T to the 4th plus 4, right? To the 4 plus 4. And that's the same thing because it's T to the 4th times T to the 4th. And so when we add the exponents, our final answer is going to be R to the 7th, T, make a little room here, to the 8th. Is there any question on that? All right. Let's do another one. How you guys feel about this? Thumbs up if you feel awesome about doing these. Yeah, you could go in the middle. Okay. Let's do some more till everybody's thumbs up. Oh, you guys are gonna bully people at lunch now. You better say thumbs up. I'm tired of doing these problems. Oh, y to the 4th. Don't bully each other. We're all in this together, right?
No.
No?
I don't even like nobody in this classroom, to be honest.
Like anybody likes you.
Okay, shh.
There's some you ain't like.
We're gonna try to do it with. We're gonna try and skip that middle step. So somebody raise your hand if you know the answer. Anyone?
I do X to the 4 and Y to the 6.
X to the 4th, y to the 7th. Is he correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember, this x is really raised to the first power. So here what we're going to do is we're going to say 3 plus 1 is 4, right? And then we're going to say 4 plus 3 is 7. They have the same base. That's a shortcut. When you have the same base, you just add the powers, right? Multiply the x's with the x's and the y's with the y's. That's kind of an informal way to say it, but it works. When you guys graduate from college with your degree in mathematics, it could be more formal. Huh? We're getting to all that stuff. Just relax. I'm going to skip ahead. I had more. Yeah. No. I just had enough for, if I did, it was like 10 left, but I don't think so. No. I don't have any extra ones. Okay. That happens sometimes. Let's skip ahead to problem number 10. Now, for problem number 10, I'm going to do something a little different. I've got 3 squared raised to the 3rd power raised to the 2nd power. Now, do I add those numbers up?
No.
Why do we multiply them?
Because they're on different sides of parentheses and
Okay, yep. So the formal answer, put your hands down. I'm going to teach you a little bit here. The formal answer, well, it's not really formal. It's a more formal answer would be that we're raising a power to a power. Okay? When you raise a power to the power, the shortcut is to multiply the powers. So in this case, now here's the informal way to look at it. See how this 3 is outside of the parentheses?
Yeah.
That means I'm going to raise everything inside the parentheses to the 3rd power. Okay? See how this 2 is outside of the brackets? Those brackets are parentheses, really, right? But we just draw them different so we can keep track. Again, I'm raising everything inside the bracket. So we start with the innermost one first. Raise that, and then that'll give us a simplified answer, and then we raise it again. But the shortcut could be 3 to the 2 times 3 times 2. 3 to the 12. 2 times 3 is 6, and then 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? So that comes from multiplying this times this times this, and that gets us 12. Now, where you're going to make your mistake, 3 months from now when you take the standardized test, you're going to get confused. You're going to multiply when you're supposed to add, and you're going to add when you're supposed to multiply. How do you keep track?
The brackets.
Heck, I don't know. That's your problem. No. The brackets, the placement of the number, right? If it's inside the parentheses like it was here, you just add them up. See how the 7's inside the parentheses, the 1's inside? See how the 3 is outside? See how the 2 is outside? That's the informal way to remember. That's your clue, okay?